students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS reading tips. So the first tip is read the question type. There are several question types that come in the IELTS question. Make sure that you read the question first. What is the question asking? Is the question asking you to complete summary? Is it true, false or not given? Or is it any other type? Okay. Make sure that you always read the question type. What are the instructions? How many words you have to write? Okay, and then go on. Okay. Second is find and underline the keywords. Now, when we talk about keywords, we often seem to understand, or we often think of what the question is asking. Okay, but often in the question there are keywords. Like for example, let's say there is a question which states in 2002 dash became popular. In 2002 dash became popular. So what is the keyword here? 2002. You have to find the year 2002 and then you will find your answer. Okay. Third is read 2 to 3 lines above and below the keyword to locate the answer. There are times when you find the keyword but you cannot find the answer like straight away. Read about 2 to 3 lines above the keyword and 2 to 3 lines below the keyword and you will find your answer. Okay. Know your synonyms. In the IELTS test, synonyms often come into the factor or often are into the picture. Make sure that you always know your synonyms. So for example, the synonym for like is prefer. The synonym for dream is wish. Okay. So always know your synonyms. The fifth and the last one is if you cannot locate the answer, move on to the next question. If you cannot locate the answer, move on to the next question. Okay. Because every answer is of only 1 mark. So if you're going to waste too much time on one question, you will never be able to attempt the other questions. So always move on if you cannot locate the answer. Or go with your hunch and write the answer that you think would fit in. Okay? Because in the IELTS test there is no negative marking. So you will not be punished. Okay? So this was IELTS reading tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button